Hey guys, welcome back to another shopping vlog. We're here in Rome where I'm going to take you to a few different shops, and this one is at Louis Vuitton. We're going to show you what's new and some eye candy. I spy with my little eye my little banana Capucines mini me bag. Do you see it right there? My obsession with a mint green Capucine bag continues.
Like the blue enamel.
And you have this.
Oh, and it's blue inside.
Exactly, because it's the same of the chain. You have green and blue.
Is that comfortable? Oh, you have two chains.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is me trying on that same mini Capucine in the mint green. It's got that really cute baby blue enamel, and it's got that really ornate chunky chain, which I love. The difference with this one and mine is that it has a thick strap, but it is adjustable like a belt is with the loops. So that's much more handy if you're looking for something that is adjustable. This is what it looks like on the shoulder, which is really cute. The chain is quite heavy though, I'm not gonna lie, but it's really cute. Here's an oil slick white Capucine mini, which is very cool. There's a really beautiful baby blue. That one's in the BB size, and I'm gonna show you the difference. Here's the difference between a BB and a mini size. It's quite a big difference. I'm 5'2" to give you reference, and this is how it looks on my frame. It is beautiful. It's probably a little bigger than what I would ideally like it to be, so I really like the mini size. This is another beautiful mini Capucine with the beautiful flower crown on the top. I love that. I have tried that on previously in Hawaii, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I was so on the fence of whether or not I should get it because it's so gorgeous. The color really speaks to me. There's the code if you're looking for it. Here are the two bags side by side. I love both shades of green. There's some more eye candy. That's an east-west version of the Capucine. This is what the BB size on the go looks like on me. Again, I'm 5'2". It's really, really sweet. Very, very cute. Here's a comparison of what the BB size looks like and the mini size. Quite a big difference, I think. Let me know which one you guys prefer. This is the on-the-go East-West. Very cute. I really like the zipper detail on this. It's got a really beautiful interior. I don't love the guitar strap on this one. I do like a guitar strap usually on handbags, but I don't really like it on this one. Let me know what you guys think about that. Does that ruin the aesthetic?
Yeah, I don't like the strap so much.
Here's some beautiful Louis Vuitton trunks and jewelry cases, watch holders. I love these. more beautiful bags on display. Okay, this is the men's collection, and there's a Keep All 25 right there. I'm gonna try some of these on. They are so cute. The men's collection is always the best. They have such a great and fun collection. She said this was the fall-winter collection, which confuses me because it's so summer themed, but
That's really cute. Even though it's men's? Yeah. Oh, it's just...
and this is what the bag looks like on me. I really love this. I really, really love this. It's so comfortable because it's vachetta strap. This is a Keep All 25 on me, which is so much fun too. I really love the tropical print.
I know because it's different. Yeah.
And it comes with this.
That's the code if you're looking for it. This is my friend Michelle trying on the Keep All 25. She's 5'7", so that's how it looks on a 5'7" frame, and it looks perfect on her. It's so cute. Here's another tropical print that I absolutely love. This is probably my favorite tropical print. God, I love that so much. So much fun. Next, we're in Bvlgari. This is actually a Bvlgari that's on the cruise ship that we were on. We were on the Celebrity, and it was so fancy and bougie. We loved it. We had such a great time. And I'm just showing you some of the eye candy through the window, but we are gonna go inside and I'm gonna try in a couple of bags. This white studded bag is so beautiful. It's a very light gold, so it's like a champagne gold. It is so gorgeous. I just love the texture and the studs, and I like the different sizes of the studs. It adds a lot of dimension. This was my absolute favorite bag.
Oh, and it doesn't have a divider on the inside, which I like.
3,700 US dollars. And of course it's tax and duty free.
So pretty.
And the head is made of enamel.
Yeah.
And the eyes are real stones, is black on it. They believe it protects you from an evil eye.
Okay.
The bag comes with a really cute little mirror. There's another color in this gorgeous emerald green color. It is so beautiful.
But what do you need? You need your credit card, you need your legal gloves, stuff like that. I need more, driver lessons and
This is a similar green color in the ostrich leather, but that gold handle is so ornate and beautiful. And I don't even like snakes. This is one of my favorite color and shades of gold, and I love that this has a little top handle on it.
First one that you picked up. That one is more unique, like with the
with the studs, I agree.
This is another version of the gold, and I love the top handle on this. This has a little bit more of a squarish shape to it, and I don't really love that it has so many dividers like the accordion style. It just limits how much you can actually fit in the bag, but I love the silhouette.
Oh, is that ostrich too?
this one.
Yeah, that's ostrich too. Oh, this is so pretty. Why does the ostrich have all the dots all the time? Is it from like where the feathers come out or something?
I guess so.
You can see what I'm attracted to is gold. Another beautiful, beautiful bag. Okay, now we're in Barcelona, and this is the Longchamp in Barcelona, and these are the beautiful mannequins. I love that denim jacket. I've talked about it before. There are a couple of the X small vanity bags, which is really cute. Tell me what you guys think about this netted bag. I really hate this style of bag. I like the idea of it when you can put a scarf in it, but in general, I don't like that style. I love how minimalist some of these Longchamp bags are. They're just very clean looking, and they're very functional and such good usable bags. I am a big fan of Longchamp, and I love their color ranges, especially this punchy green. Love it so much. It's so vibrant. This is a bag that I've always seen online, that I've always looked at, always kind of debated over, and I'm so glad I had a chance to try it on. I do think it was a little too big for what I wanted, so I didn't get it, but it is such a great, such a minimalist but functional and really clean quality bag. I really do love it. It's just a little too big and bulky for me. I have something similar to that, but in a bigger size. That's the bag I have in green, which is so pretty. here's some card holders, which I find really interesting in the shape. It looks a little unfinished, so I don't love it. This is the men's section and the travel area, and some travel bags. Again, I'm always attracted to the punchy greens. Gotta love the Le Pliage line, so functional. Here are some really pretty silk scarves. I always look at the Longchamp scarves because they're all 100% silk, and so many of them are so colorful and playful, so definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a silk scarf, and so much more reasonably priced than many other brands.
Inside as well. It's usually it's like a stationary crossbody for.
So you carry around a notebook? Ah.
Or even some people put their phones in.
So when
Yeah.
you're like trying to jot down your entries
Yeah.
for your content.
If you're a writer.
So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed all the eye candy. If you enjoyed this video, I would really love it if you can hit the like button. That really helps my small channel out. If you want to binge watch any of my other videos, you can do that here, and I will see you next time.